Distinguished Senate President, appointment of Chief of Defense Staff. In compliance with the provisions of Section 18(1) of the Armed Forces Act, Cap A20, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the appointment of Lieutenant General Oluyede as Chief of Defense Staff. While I hope that the Senate will consider this request expeditiously, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my consideration and best regards. Yours sincerely, Bola Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. Distinguished colleagues, this is referred to the Committee of the Whole for immediate consideration. And in view of the appointment of the Chief of Defense Staff, I plead with distinguished senators to reconsider and clear all of them, and then confirm them all at the same time. The Chief of Army Staff, Chief of Air Staff, Chief of Naval Staff. So if it is agreed by the Senate, I would like us to do it tomorrow so that they can go straight and start work, so that we don't leave any gap in security. Is it the view of the Senate that this be taken tomorrow? Those in support say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.